Alright, so today is April 12th, 2024, and I'm just going to be doing a quick trade recap on Euro AUD and Euro JPY, which are two correlated pairs. Let's get into it. So on Euro AUD, basically the whole trade idea was that price would continue to move up. The drawn liquidity is the fair value gap over here, and then the order block up here. Although it is like kind of in a downtrend within the past within the past month or two, I was looking for price to continue higher and then either continue lower. So basically go up and then down, something like that, right? Which is why I also took the long. Another reason was the Fibonacci retracement. When price hit the 0.75, that was my entry signal, and I was expecting price to, bounce off this order block over here, along with the massive order block that was over here. Some concerns I did have was this previous low, which I did note after taking the trade, so I should have been more analytical before taking the trade. But this was something I was kind of worried about. Luckily, the trade played out in our favor. So basically over here, we have the stop loss, entry, and take profit. I do know that the RR is 0.63. I'm still trying to find a good average in terms of where I could put my TP, because right now I'm just like trying to aim for the pips, right? Like around 20 to 25 pips, but I just need to gather more stats, and then I can increase the average if the trades show that it can, get more profit, right? So as of right now, the high over here would be 43.3. So I'd write that down and then create an average of like the potential that I've missed out on. So then I could use that average and then use it as my new TP. That'll be it for Euro AUD. Alright, so up next we do have Euro JPY, and the trading idea was basically the same. We are in an uptrend, and then so this is the daily chart. We're currently in an uptrend, so that's why I chose to go long. Drew the fib from the bottom to the top over here. Once it retraced into 0.75, I took an entry, and I was looking to fill in the order block up here that was previously made over here. I did not take into account this previous low, and the second I entered, price actually just dipped on me, which really sucks. So the RR is 0.71, but I did end up taking a loss here for like $27.26 USD. It is what it is. I'm just glad that the other trade managed to go through and mitigate the loss a little bit. I'm not too sure why price did spike down this much. It might have been some news, but I still have to look into it. Some things that I did do better on this trade and on Euro AUD was that I didn't touch it. I was in quite a bit of drawdown last night, actually. I saw that I was like -35 when I placed both trades, and that kind of got to my head, but I decided to just leave it as I said I would, and eventually one did hit stop loss and one hit TP, which I'm really glad that I did just leave it alone, because had I closed it at that time, I would have taken like a major loss, right? Like $35 loss. So that was something I think I did okay on. I was looking for price to fill in the order block. I guess this time around, it didn't really have like a fair value gap to draw towards down here, which I didn't see as much of an issue, but maybe I'll look into that moving forward. But yeah, anyways, that'll be all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and for those of you guys who are on the same journey as me, good luck.